In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your low beam bulb in your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located in your headlight assembly. We've removed the boot here for viewing purposes. You don't have to do that to remove the bulb. We're going to take this cover off, the gray cover. It's got a handle here. We're going to turn it counterclockwise. That'll unlock it and it'll come off. Now that the cover is off, I'm going to reach in, I'm going to push in, and I'm going to turn counterclockwise. I'm going to pull out the bulb. Let's unplug it. Make sure you're wearing gloves. You don't want any oils on your hands touching the bulb. Remove the bulb by pulling it out. Plug in your bulb. Again, make sure you're wearing gloves. Turn the bulb towards the headlight assembly. This is an aftermarket headlight. For ours, we're just going to insert the bulb and push it in. Then you're good to go. We're going to put the cover back on. Slide it in, line up the tabs, and turn it. That'll lock it in. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.